start. Yeah, man, we interview with with Big Brother.
El Elyon. I am El Elyon at Tombra Bay. I'm a sovereign Moor of the Moroccan Empire. I am here on special appearance in proper persona, and my rights have been protected under Article 6 of the United States Republic Constitution. Now, so let us go into the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Now, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Article 13, everyone has a right to freedom of movements and resident within the borders of each state. As a national, I would say a national within the borders of each state. Everyone has a right to leave any country, including his own, and to return to his country. Article. Article 50. It's very important. Everyone has a right to a nationality. No one should be arbitrarily deprived of his nationality, nor denied the right to change his nationality. Now, 95% of our people are known to have a European name, which is considered in law as a misnomer. If you have to do with the courting system, it means plaintiff is in error, which in relation to that Scott case, right? It's very important to know about your nationality and birthright. As a human being, you must have your free national name of your ancestors, not appellation or not name that in relation to an next nation. Because doing that, then you are considered as property, and property cannot own property. Critical thinking in terms of law. Now let us go into the same Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Article 23. Article 23. Everyone has a right to work, to free choice of employment, to just and favorable condition of work, and to protection against employment. Everyone, without any discrimination, has the right to equal pay for equal work. Everyone who works has a right to just and favorable remuneration, ensuring for himself and his family an existence worthy of human dignity, right? And supplemented if necessary, which means you're supposed to have a system put in place if you're not working to supplement you. Have you supplemented by other means of social protection, which means you're supposed to have a system put in place to grease your pocket. If you don't have any funds coming in, you have a system put in place to have you protected from the embarrassment based upon financial constraint. Other means of social protection. If necessary, by other means of social protection, everyone has a right to form and to join trade union for the protection of his own interests. Very important to know that we are the founder, we are the originator of civilization as Moors, not black people. But we are not black. Black is an adjective word. You cannot use it as an identity because a noun is a name of a person, places, or things. We're not maroon either. For maroon is an action word. You cannot use it as an identity because a noun is a name of a person, places, or things. We are Moors. Moortown, Portland. Moortown, Portland. Come, God. Moortown, Portland. Link with this flag. This flag, Moortown, Portland. Link with this flag. So we're talking about Moortown. M-O-O-R T-O-W-N. We're talking about Portmore. P-O-R-T M-O-O-R. Then we have Morbay. M-O-O-R-B-E-Y. Morbay. So we have the people in the Atlantic island. But there's no such thing as the Caribbean. And there's no such thing as the West Indies. We are people of the Atlantic island, which is in the Empire of Morocco, otherwise known as America, that was called, based upon misnomer, of the Caucasian. We are the true people of the land. And America cover, which is the Empire of Morocco, cover the northern and also the southern hemisphere of the planet. No other continent does that. And in order for us to leave home, we have to leave both continents, both North and South America, which is truly the Empire of Morocco. And we are the founder of a people, the originator of the people, of civilization. Woman was first, not man. Because every man have a belly button. Every man have a neighbor. Even the sister of a neighbor. But she have the womb. You have Adam and Eve. Eve was first. Not Adam. But Eve, she carried the seed, not the man. The sperm is there put in place to give the egg up, to give the seed a sparks, or the egg a sparks. The sister, she is the founder. That sister is the originator of civilization. Okay, how small she is. She is the true and living God. With that, I am El Elyon at Tombra Bay. All rights reserved. UCC 1-103.